Welcome back, guys. Let's switch to rendered view. Alright guys, it's a wrap for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the entire process. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Now let's move on to rendering our scene. So I'm going to let's add a sunlight to this scene. So I'm going to duplicate our area light, shift D to duplicate. Let's go to top view. Let's move that out. So I'm going to reduce the strength to 10. Let's go to top view. Let's select our sun, our light, and let's move that out to somewhere there. Then let's move it out. So let's change this. Let's reduce the strength to 7. And let's change it to sun. Let's move it back a little bit. So I'm going to change the color to let's use the hex code. So I'm going to change the color to FF6B10. So let's go to front view. Let's bring this out a little bit. Let's go to top view. And let's rotate this. Move this back a little bit. Back to somewhere here. I think that's okay. So I think that's okay. I'm okay with it. So let's go to our render properties. Let's change this CPU to GPU. Then let's go to render. Let's turn off this noise. Then let's reduce the samples to 500. So let's change this to open image denoise. So I think this is okay for now. So if you know any way we can make this look better, please share your thoughts in the comment section. So let's render our scene. Let's go to render image. So let's render our scene as an image. Now our image has rendered. This is how it's looking, guys. I think this is not bad. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video.